What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Kicks Fix video. It's gonna be the third video of the Denhams. For now, the last pair, the 95s, the OG Neon 95 merged with Denham. Actually, the owner of the store, Jason Denham, his last name really is Denham. So that's fucking dope. I mean, if you pronounce it in English like Denham, it just sounds like Denham. So yeah, I like that. Also, shout out to you guys for reposting my shit. I really like that. I mean, what's more dope than the brand itself reposting your pics? So thanks a lot. Dope. Also, if you have not seen my 90s unboxing on foot video, check it out, and as well as the ones. Love them both to death. The ones a little bit more than the 90s, but still the 90s are sick as fuck. Yeah, also this new mini segment, which I forgot last video, sorry about that. What shoe am I wearing right now? Drop it in the comments right now. It's a really easy one, but type it. Cramps, fuck that. Yeah, you're right, it is the MX90 Volt. What a banger, super dope pair. Got the whole OG collection complete, thinking about doing a video on those as well, but I still have so many kicks I want to do a video on, and then new releases keep popping up, so yeah. Oh yeah, also if you're thinking like, what happened to the beard, man? You look like a little baby and shit. Well, not like the artist, but you know what I mean. Yeah, I wanted to just trim it a little bit. Couldn't find any pieces to put on the trimmer, so I just got this whole bit out of the side of my beard. So this was what I had to do to sort of fix it. So yeah, like I said, the 90s I had to get off a friend of mine for just a little bit above retail, so got blessed on those. Then right here I have the 95s. I won them, got called to pick them up, so yeah, mad happy, love them as well. Of course, I've seen them and checked them in the store. Same box, of course, sustainable, just clean, easy box, with the cutout swoosh. These were a retail price of $180, and the sticker says MX95 DNHM Black Volt Summit White. Got them in a 9.5, of course, and the color code is DD9519001. So let's just get them out. It's the same. Just flip it open. It's the same dust bag material as the other pairs. Just like the 90s, it has black branding on there with the scissors and shit and the sickles. Really dope. Let me get them out. Yeah, here we go. What a banger. You know what? Let me get the other one out as well. Then you can look at one standing still and one I am like moving around. Alright. Like that. Can you see that? Yes, you can. I'll put it a little bit closer for you guys. That's too close. Right here. Alright. So yeah, I'm a fan of the OG 95 myself. Which is weird because I don't own them, but I must say I really like them. I own a couple of 95s, and also I'm a sucker for denim kicks. I got a lot of kicks that feature denim in them. I think it's super dope. And then the combination of this dope store using sustainable salvaged denim, yeah, I think that's super dope. Again, I forgot to check what all the materials were. You can check it out on the Denham Insta. They have this like blueprint pic with all these explaining, all these arrows explaining which is what material. And I forgot to look, so sorry guys. Not that smart for doing a review unboxing. But let's check out the materials. Pretty much the whole shoe is denim. You know what? Let me get a little closer and get this shit out of the way. Always a little bit full in my working space. You start with this black denim at the bottom, then a little bit, well, it still looks like black denim but has more white threading in between it, so it looks more dark gray. Then again, looks just like black denim with even more white gaps in between, kind of like my shirt. So this is more light gray, and then the top rib is Summit white, Summit white denim. The really bright lace holders, I'm not really sure what the correct naming for that is actually. Then the netting in white looks really fresh. You've got black waxed laces. I know why they're waxed, because the indigo denim from one, it just supposed to bleed. Indigo denim bleeds. So if you have wax laces, it can get under a little bit, but it doesn't soak in all the way like it would with regular laces. So yeah, that's why they opted for wax laces. Like I said, I'm not really a fan of that, but I understand why they did it now, and it pretty much fits with the shoe as well. So these have gray tips. They feel a little bit rubbery. Also the ones did not have wooden tips, but it's actually bamboo. So I mean, it's still, it already was so fucking sick, all the dope details and shit, but it's even doper. It's fucking bamboo, like wow. Yeah, the tongue, Summit white with the OG logo. I think it's the same as on my head. Is it? Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. It matches. It's all good. And then you have this white mesh in between on the tongue, and that pretty much sums up the whole upper. Of course, you've got the same insole, the black insole with the white scissors and white branding. Summit white liner, maybe it's a little bit wider, maybe it's a Phantom colorway. Also Denham, the jean maker, pretty much painted in the heel. Yeah, not really visible, fuck it again. And then for the back you've got this nice Vachetta 10. I think it's man, why is it so fucking hard to focus? Let me just click it. Is it better? Is it focusing? Yeah, not really. A little bit. Vachetta 10 nubuck. So when you have all three pairs lined up next to each other, you've got all these Vachetta 10 booties. So clean and so fresh. Yeah. Alright. Then for the sole, it has the same sole as a OG Neon 95. One thing they altered on the 95s, I think about a year ago, is the cleaner and a little bit bigger bubbles in the front, because they used to be like a little bit smaller, and also they had a lot of glue stains and just bits of the midsole, and right now they are super clean, a little bit bigger, and I must say I like that a lot better. They did it with the TNs as well, the TN Plus. Also they gave the junior TN and 95s a regular sole just like this, not with the what they had, like the 94 soles, the Air Max 94 soles. It didn't look, yeah, it looked a little bit weird, and the TNs had a just the regular TM bubble, but only on the back. The front was just foam. So it's dope they changed that. Of course the price went up a little bit too, but you know, yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, so without going into too much detail, the bubbles all have a different PSI, which is the square pressure per inch, pressure per square inch, and it was featured on the backbone of the shoe, and now it says the truth is in the details. I'm not sure if I can show you that. The truth is in the details. Yes, fucking dope. So if I look at the finishing, usually with a black shoe you can see like glue stains and shit, but this, yeah, it's really minor spot right here, which you will not see when you're wearing them. A little bit over here, but it's not really white, so that's nice. Sometimes it's white and it really just jumps out there. So this pair looks super nice. How is it debossed? Also, I'm not sure how many 95s don't have a reflective bag. I'm not sure if it's super uncommon, but I don't know one from the top of my head. They pretty much all have a 3M bag. So I think this 95 has no 3M at all. This one does look a little bit crooked, how it's placed on the sole. Yeah, definitely is a little bit crooked. Yeah, you know, it is what it is. The logos are embossed nicely. This one is a little bit darker, means it's pressed firmer. A little spot as well. And it's gone, nice. But I'm not sure if you can see it. If I can keep them perfectly lined up, you might be able to see the other one is a little bit crooked. But yeah, fuck it, you know, it is what it is. No one's gonna see it when you're wearing. I'm not trying to flip him, so yeah, I'm just gonna rock him. You know, that's what you're supposed to do with kicks. Put them on your feet, go outside, rock them, break some necks. So here they are. Fucking talking for like 13-14 minutes already. I think it's time to put them on feet and go outside. Let's do it, man. I see you outside. Yeah. Alright, so I'm back home from shooting the B-rolls. I hope you liked them. They were a little bit shorter than the last video. I just had less inspiration, and I don't know, I guess the spot was a little bit less dope, or maybe I just worked the spot wrong. Whatever. Like I said, still hope you like them. So for the final verdict on the kicks, I think they're dope as fuck. They're comfortable, they're a little bit snug, so sometimes 95s you can go half size up. I didn't. I went with my true size, and yeah, like I said, they're a little bit snug, but I have a wide foot and also a high foot, so yeah, 9 out of 10 times my foot is like this inside the sneaker, but on the other hand it makes the sneaker look nice and all filled up. So yeah, final verdict, if you like 95 you should get them. If you got the 90 and the 1 you should get them. If you only got the 90 you should get them. If you only have the 1 you should get them. If you like sneakers you should get them, because they sick and you're gonna regret it if you don't. Yeah, dope sneaker. Thank you guys a lot for watching. I see you in the next one. I am out.
Peace.